In the vast and intricate tapestry of life, our bodies are our vessels, carrying us through the adventures and experiences that unfold before us. Just as a sturdy ship requires nourishing fuel, our bodies thrive on the sustenance we provide. And among the many gifts that nature bestows upon us, whole grains stand out as a cornerstone of a healthy and vibrant life. In this journey of well-being, we embark on a quest to unlock the secrets of whole grains and discover how these tiny powerhouses can make a world of difference in our lives. Join me as we explore 5 simple yet profound ways to seamlessly weave the goodness of whole grains into our daily routines. Together, let us embark on this odyssey of nourishment and embrace a path towards a healthier and more fulfilling existence. The sun rises, painting the sky with hues of promise, and a new day begins. What better way to greet this fresh start than with a breakfast that nourishes both body and soul? A steaming bowl of oatmeal, its warmth spreading through your hands, offers a comforting embrace to awaken your senses. Imagine those delicate flakes, plump with goodness, infused with the essence of the earth. Each spoonful, a symphony of textures and flavors, gently coaxing you into the day. Or perhaps a bowl of whole grain cereal, its satisfying crunch a prelude to the day's adventures. The choice is yours, but the message remains clear. Begin your day with whole grains and set the stage for a healthier, more vibrant you. It's a small change, a simple swap, but its ripples of well-being will resonate throughout your day. Embrace the power of whole grains at dawn and witness the transformative impact on your overall health and vitality. Feel the energy surge through you, the gentle hum of nourishment as you embrace the day ahead. Bread, a staple in cultures across the globe, a symbol of sustenance and nourishment. But what if we could elevate this humble food, infusing it with even greater power? This is where the magic of whole grain bread unfolds. Picture a loaf, its crust a rich tapestry of golden brown, its aroma a symphony of toasted goodness. But it's within that lies the true transformation. Whole grains, with their intricate layers of bran, germ, and endosperm, offer a depth of flavor and texture that surpasses the ordinary. Each slice becomes a journey for your palate, a delightful dance of subtle nuttiness and satisfying chewiness, and beyond the taste, a wealth of nutrients awaits, ready to fuel your body and mind. So, the next time you reach for that loaf of bread, pause for a moment. Choose whole grain and experience the difference. Your taste buds will thank you, and your body will reap the rewards of this simple yet profound switch. The afternoon slump, a familiar foe to many. As our energy dips, we often find ourselves reaching for a quick pick-me-up. But what if that snack could do more than just satisfy a craving? What if it could nourish and invigorate us from the inside out? Enter whole grain crackers, a testament to the power of smart snacking. These crispy, flavorful bites offer a satisfying crunch without the guilt. Imagine yourself reaching for a handful of these wholesome crackers, their earthy aroma filling your senses. Each bite, a burst of flavor, a symphony of textures that tantalizes your taste buds. But beneath the surface lies a nutritional powerhouse, packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. So, the next time hunger strikes, resist the allure of processed snacks. Instead, choose the path of nourishment, the path of whole grain crackers. Your body will thank you for it. Ah, pasta, a culinary chameleon capable of transforming into countless delectable dishes. But let's be honest, those refined white noodles, while comforting, often leave us feeling heavy and sluggish. But fear not, pasta lovers, for there's a healthier, more vibrant alternative. Whole grain pasta. Imagine twirling your fork through a plate of spaghetti. Its golden hue a testament to its wholesome nature. Each strand, a symphony of textures, a delicate dance of al dente perfection. The flavor, a revelation, nutty, earthy, and deeply satisfying. And as you savor each bite, you'll know that you're not just indulging in a culinary delight, but nourishing your body with the goodness of whole grains. So embrace the power of whole grain pasta and rediscover the joy of this beloved dish. Your taste buds will rejoice, and your body will thank you for this simple yet profound switch. Soups and salads, those culinary canvases of freshness and flavor, but what if we could elevate these dishes, transforming them into nutritional powerhouses? The answer lies in the often overlooked power of whole grains. Imagine a steaming bowl of soup, its aroma a symphony of savory delights. Now, Picture those same flavors enhanced by the subtle nuttiness of quinoa, each tiny grain a burst of nourishment. Or perhaps a crisp salad, its vibrant colors a testament to nature's bounty. Now envision that same salad, its textures and flavors elevated by the addition of barley, its chewy texture a delightful contrast to the crisp greens. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination. So the next time you're preparing a soup or salad, remember the power of whole grains. Sprinkle them in, let them work their magic, and elevate your dishes from simple to extraordinary. As we conclude our exploration of whole grains, let us carry with us the knowledge that even the smallest changes can have a profound impact on our health and well-being. By incorporating these 5 easy tips into our daily routines, we embark on a journey toward a more vibrant and fulfilling life. Remember, the power to transform our health lies within our grasp. Let us choose nourishment, let us choose whole grains, and let us embrace the extraordinary potential that resides within each and every one of us. If you found these tips helpful, share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's create a community of knowledge, a tapestry of shared wisdom, as we navigate the path toward a healthier and more fulfilling life together. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I am here to guide you, to share in this journey of well-being. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to detox from sugar and learn how to curb your sugar cravings, watch the video on your screen next.